guys, it's your girl MilaB and welcome back to another video. We are talking forward roll, backward roll. Yes, beginner tumbling skills. That is what we're going to get into. Those are the drills I'm going to show and explain to you today, and also give you some at-home drills that you can do at home in the comfort of your house. So without further ado, let's go get into it. When starting backward and forward rolls, I love to teach a squat, especially when it comes down to a backward roll, because you want to ensure that the athlete's knees stays to their chest and to their belly. And I love teaching my little ones this saying: high as a house, arms up; low as a mouse, arms down in front of you. Look at your belly, which is ensuring they tuck their head, bend those arms, and roll. And with enough practice, they'll be able to do a forward roll standing up, really clean, pretty, and arms by their ears. When learning backward rolls, I love teaching the athlete rock and roll. This ensures a nice turtle back, giving the athlete something to roll on. Once the athlete masters rock and rolls, I then do rock and roll to pizza hands. This is so important when teaching a backward roll, because the pizza hands, once the athlete rolls backwards, is going to help push their chest up so they can land flat on their feet. Keep in mind, when doing rock and rolls with pizza hands, you want their hands to be nice and flat on the surface when rolling backwards to their back. Make sure that when the athlete is rolling backwards, that they are staying nice and tight into a ball shape, keeping their knees and their belly. The athlete is going to want to kick their legs out or roll to their knees. You want to remind them to roll to their feet. Once they are rolled to their feet, we do not want knees on the ground. You will walk your hands or push your upper body up, look straight, have nice tight arms by your ears. Backward rolls help with core, balance, and strength as well. And once again, with enough practice, your athlete or you will be able to do a backward roll. These are the drills that will help you get stronger, that will teach you the ball shape, the technique that you need for a backward and forward roll. Yes, at-home drills, once again. Like I've been saying in all my other videos, you guys, if you're an adult, please watch your child. And if you're a child watching this video or an athlete, please do these drills with adult supervision. We don't want any injuries and we don't want anyone to get hurt. We want to stay safe, as always. So I also sell a 5 beginner at-home drill ebook on Etsy and my website. Definitely check it out. It will blow your mind. They're at-home drills. I'm showing you how to do it. I include a stretch, a warm-up, so everything is in there. Purchase it on Etsy, and once you download it and purchase it one time, you will have it for a lifetime. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will be giving you more drills to obtain your skills. Please subscribe and don't miss out. Hit that bell notification so you know when I am posting a new video. So I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.